In recent developments, Ukraine has launched a significant military operation against Russia, marked by a notable drone attack on Russian airfields. This operation underscores Ukraine's determination to assert its sovereignty and counteract Russian aggression. The drone strikes targeted key military installations, showcasing Ukraine's evolving capabilities and strategic planning. This operation is crucial in the ongoing conflict, as it not only aims to disrupt Russian military logistics, but also sends a strong message of resilience and defiance. The implications of this operation extend beyond the immediate battlefield. It highlights the strategic importance of Ukraine's defense efforts for the West. By demonstrating its ability to strike deep into enemy territory, Ukraine is not only bolstering its own security, but also reinforcing the need for continued support from Western allies, involving a coordinated effort that utilized advanced technology and intelligence to execute precise strikes against Russian military assets. This operation revealed significant vulnerabilities within Russian defenses, exposing gaps that Ukraine could exploit in future engagements. The effectiveness of the operation not only showcased Ukraine's tactical ingenuity, but also raised questions about the reliability of Russian military capabilities. However, the implications of such operations extend beyond the battlefield. There are concerns regarding potential civilian casualties in Ukraine. The recent attack utilized first-person view FPV drones, which are equipped with advanced technology allowing operators to control them in real time, providing a unique perspective during missions. These drones are often lightweight, agile, and capable of carrying precision munitions, making them highly effective in targeting military assets. The integration of drones into warfare has fundamentally altered combat dynamics, enabling smaller forces to execute complex operations with remarkable efficiency. Their ability to conduct surveillance, gather intelligence, and deliver strikes with pinpoint accuracy has shifted the balance of power on the battlefield. In this operation, the effectiveness of FPV drones was evident, as they successfully engaged Russian military targets, demonstrating their growing importance in modern military strategies and the future of conflict. Ukraine's recent military actions, particularly the destruction of nuclear-capable aircraft, hold significant implications for U.S. security interests. By neutralizing these assets, Ukraine not only diminishes Russia's strategic capabilities, but also enhances the safety of U.S. allies in Europe, reducing the threat of nuclear escalation. This success contributes to a broader deterrent against Russian aggression, reinforcing the notion that hostile actions will face formidable resistance. Furthermore, the ongoing support for Ukraine from the U.S. is crucial. It signals a commitment to collective security and stability in the region. The recent attack significantly challenges the perception of Russia's dominance in the ongoing conflict, demonstrating that Ukraine can effectively strike back against its adversary. This shift in dynamics complicates ceasefire negotiations, as Russia may feel pressure to respond more aggressively, undermining any potential for dialogue. The implications for peace talks are profound, as Ukraine's assertive actions could embolden its position, while simultaneously raising concerns about U.S. involvement in mediating a resolution. Additionally, the role of sanctions and political pressure on Russia remains critical. These measures aim to weaken its resolve and limit its military capabilities. As the situation evolves, the interplay between military actions and diplomatic efforts will be crucial in shaping the future of negotiations. We encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel for more insights on these important topics. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from this information. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content and fosters a community of informed viewers.